Alrighty guys, thought I'd make another video today. Gonna go for a fish. Thought I'd bring you along. Gotta go into town, take my Hilux in to get it cleaned just so I can sell it. But I figured while I wait for it to get cleaned, I'll take my bike out and go for a fish and see how we go. Here's the Hilux, the big rig. And here's the push bike. And here's my big fishing rod that I've never caught a fish on yet.
It's kinda easy when you listen to the G'd up sound. Pioneer speakers bumping as I think on a pound. I got the sound for your and it's easy to see that this DJ be Warren G. Can I get in where I feel?
Oh. Just had to do a quick pit stop for a vomit. Might get a bucket and put all my vomit in there for a bit of burley for fishing, I think. Fuck, I don't know what that one's about. Ugh. Fucking hell, I tell you what, I felt a bit shit before, but after just throwing up my guts there, I feel $1,000,000, but don't hold me to it. We'll see. Gonna go grab something to eat and some electrolytes after that, and hopefully the rest of the day's good. Rightio, ran into Woolworths, grabbed myself a Gatorade, and also grabbed myself a nice chicken burger. If you know where that comes from the bakery. Hopefully that makes me feel even better. Just dropped off the car at the car wash to get it cleaned and professionally cleaned because I can't be fucked doing it. On the bike fishing rod. Let's go catch a fish, eh? Probably not.
When you listen to the G'd up sound, Pioneer speakers bumping as I think on a pound. I got the sound for your and it's easy to see that this DJ be Warren G. It's kinda easy when you listen to the G'd up sound. Pioneer speakers bumping as I speak on a pound. I got the sound for your and it's easy to see that this DJ be Warren G.
Yeah, check this out, this is OGLB, you know what I'm saying? I'm on my little OG, Warren G. And he just dropping this to let you little BGs know what's happening. Y'all got to recognize, cause this is...
Rightio, guys, just currently riding from near Stocklands in town. Gonna ride up towards Point Vernon. There's all rocks and a bit of reef there that I can fish from on the water's edge, which will be good. Here you go here, guys, this caravan park there. You can see it's got fence the whole way around it. Oh shit, hold on. Yeah, sorry, my fishing rod doesn't fold in half, so it keeps smacking on branches. But what I was saying is, this camper park here, it's actually a nice place right on the water's edge. I'll show you around there soon. Actually, they built a fence the whole way around it because everyone kept breaking in, but it's pretty pointless because you can just walk along the beach and go straight in anyway, like I'll show you. But anyway, they kept getting too many thefts, people coming in the middle of the night and stealing shit, stealing cars. But yeah, random fact. Right here, fence the whole way around. It goes around like probably about 800 meters, but you can just walk down to the beach and go straight in, so I don't really get what the point of it was. It's a thought that counts, I guess. Let's try and get a fish, eh? Here we are, first spot, just a little bit up from the Purple Park. Here's me $60, what is it, Katana, $60 combo from Anaconda. Fluoro yellow line with a soft plastic on there. Use fluoro yellow line so the fish can tell that it's not real fish and they don't bite it. But yeah, that's about it. I'm going to walk out here and have a flick along and I'll let you know if I get anything. least I got that on fucking record. Hell yeah, gonna punch it up a bit further. Hopefully where the rocks aren't so slippery. Here we go, spot number 2. See how we go, hopefully I don't slip over. First snag of the day, first one. Probably just snap it off, I can't be fucked swimming in there. Oh, that sucks. Oh yeah, this is one of the new dogs I'm going to throw on plastic one. See how it goes. Just pulled up to a new spot. See if there's any fish here, eh? Rightio guys, fishing for about half an hour or so. Absolutely no luck. Didn't lose my lure yet, which is surprisingly on a snag, but I'm going to go punch it over to Gattigas, which is about 3k bike ride. So finally on a footpath, so much better for riding than on the beach. Beach is so soft and the tyres are pumped up so hard that it just takes all my energy out of me trying to ride on that. But anyway, I'll see you when I'm there. Here's actually one of the houses I used to live at, just there. Used to be mint and was a perfect cutout straight out to the water right in front of where I used to live. Someone definitely did that on purpose back in the day. Here's the spot everyone pulls up, watches the sunset, and alrighty, just got here at where I want to go. Don't have a bike lock, so hopefully that'll do. Hopefully no one sees that. Here we are guys, down on the flats. Got to walk out about 300 meters or so here to Eli Creek. There's a little like creek that runs out on the low tide. One of my mates, Lockie, who's here at the moment, he caught a flathead yesterday there. I didn't catch anything, but hopefully today we'll have something for you. Here we are, Eli Creek with Lockie himself. Oh, that's decent, eh? Big keeper. Lockie on.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck, only if I can get one. Here we are, Lockie with a...
What's he gonna go? 46
centimetre flatty.
Walk back. Just
Here we...
stop whining, walk back. Walk back, walk back, walk back. Nice.
Fuck, everyone's got one but me. Here we are, flatty number 2. What's it gonna be? 40.
43.
42 and a half.
What is the...
Oh yeah, 42 and a half.
Rightio guys, finishing up for today. Didn't bloody catch a fish as per normal, but Liliana and Lockie both got a flathead there. I got to head back into town. It looks like there's a storm coming in, and my car's ready to be picked up. So bloody oath, hope you enjoyed the video.